Hi there, thanks for watching guys. Just thought I'd post up a quick video just chatting about ladies jeans and the obviously the problem that they tend to have with them when they're made out of this very thin fabric. It is it's denim, but it's got elastane in there. So what it tends to do is you get this obviously it slightly stretches with your body shape. Normally they're more fitted around the backside, so they do fit and look nice on women, but generally what happens is as it stretches and it ages over, say 6 months to a year, maybe 2 years, you start to get holes in the bottom parts here, and you can see this has gone very, very thin. If I was to hold that up to the light, you'd nearly see through it. Sometimes they break around the pocket edges here as well, where it stretches. So for this lady, what I'm doing for her is I'm going to reinforce the whole area from top to bottom. So where the crotch starts there at the bottom at the seams, I'm going to go over all the seams there, reinforce that, and then we're going to reinforce the whole back piece for her with some new cotton on the inside, and then we're going to be doing some over sewing work, darning work to the top areas to stop this from wearing through. And obviously she does love them, and they are, you know, they're fairly expensive jeans, PAIGE jeans. Same with Hudson, J brand, all those sort of really nice women's jeans, 7 for All Mankind. They all tend to do this same sort of thing where they have a bit of premature wear on them. So if you want a quote for any work that you want doing, repair work like this, it's Michael at thedenimdoctor.co.uk. I've got a Instagram page which is the Denim Doctor 69. You can check out before and after pictures of work that I've done. I also do alterations as well, so if you want to get in touch, I do. Obviously you can either come to the shop in Manchester or you can do it by post. Yeah, so whatever's easiest for you guys. So thanks for watching guys, and yeah, do check out my other videos where I'm chatting about all the repair work and alteration work. Thank you, cheers, bye bye, thanks.